Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your store on the Teespring website. So the first thing you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you do that, can just go into the URL section once it's open and simply type teespring.com. Hit the enter button if it's your first time. Of course, this will be your main screen. And if it's your first time, you will find the login option at the top right corner. On the left of it, you will find an option to create your account. Do whatever, if you have an account, log into it. But if you don't have an account, just go and create your account. Do one of them. And of course, you'll be able to use your Google account or YouTube account or even Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you did one of these options, you will find yourself with something like that. Make sure to click at your account, click at stores. So here, as you can see, I'll find my store, which is the name of it is actually default store. If you just publish or list something without like edits in your store, it will be a default store. And if you want to actually delete your store, simple thing is you would like to delete all the listings in your store. So simply you can just go into your listens, and as an example, you can find this listing here in your store. So simply if you want to delete your store, as we said, we'll have to delete all the listing on it. So just go and check if this is the listing on the store that you want to delete specifically. Maybe you have a lot of listings here on different stores. So choose the listing that you would like to delete or choose the listing that's on the store that you would like to delete. Then just simply go here and click as archive. Once you choose that, as you can see, the listing will be archived, and that means it will not be active. That means it's deleted, and your store will be deleted with it if there's no listing on it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.